Basic English Grammar Review with Learning Buddy. Subject and Verb Agreement. Number 1. Blank everyone love pasta. Is it don't or doesn't? To answer this sentence, you have to identify the subject of the sentence itself. Everyone, from the word every and one, the subject of the sentence is singular. We call this word indefinite pronoun. Words that are indefinite and singular in meaning or in count, such as everyone, each one, everybody. What else? We also have somebody, someone, etc. Again, these words are called indefinite pronouns, and each one of them is singular. Choice A, don't, is used for I, you, and other plural nouns. Meanwhile, choice B, doesn't, is used for he, she, it, and other singular nouns. They are both used in present simple tense. The subject, everyone, singular, use doesn't. The sentence read, doesn't everyone love pasta? Let's proceed to number 2. Here is a list of candidates who blank already considered. Is it A, has, B, have? The difference between these two words, has and have, is that has is singular, while have is plural. Has is used for singular nouns or pronouns, while have is used for plural nouns or pronouns, including the first person I and second person you. Remember that in sentence number 2, the relative pronoun who must refer to the subject or the object of the sentence that does the action. Create a question. Who blank already considered? The answer is candidates. Candidates is plural. Thus, what we're looking for is the word have. The word list is not the reference because it did not do the action in the sentence. Number 3, Mr. Santos is the only one of the coaches who blank in road races. Is it A, has run, B, have run? Again, the difference between these two phrases is that A, has run, is used for singular subjects. Meanwhile, B, have run, is used for plural subjects. Both are in present perfect tense. Mr. Santos is the only one. Let's highlight one that refers to Mr. Santos. One is singular. To get the correct answer, to provide the correct verb phrase, you have to answer the question, who blank run in road races? The answer is Mr. Santos, who is the one, but not coaches. We are focusing on the subject that does the action or did the action in the sentence. Who run in road races? The answer is that one, which refers to Mr. Santos. That object of the preposition coaches is not the center of our attention because we created a question that directly refers to Mr. Santos. Sentence number 4. She is the candidate who received the most votes. Is it has or have? Again, has is for singular, have is for plural. To choose the correct verb, we have to create a question. Who received the most votes? The answer is candidate. The candidate. Candidate is singular. The answer is has. She is the candidate who has received the most votes. Sorry, I forgot the underline. Alright, so she is the candidate who has received the most votes. Singular candidate, use has and not have. Let's proceed to number 5. Sentence 5 read, Len is one of those people who blank always coming late. Is it is or are? We all know that is singular, are is plural. Both are in present tense. The subject is Len, but we have this object of the preposition people. To provide the correct verb, you have to create a question. Who always coming late? Is it people or Len? The antecedent that we're looking for is people. Share your answer in the comments.